Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting one for you, the ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser with Essential Oils Set. Let's dive right in. Hey there, I'm your host, and today we're going to take a deep dive into the ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser with Essential Oils Set. Now, if you're someone who loves creating a relaxing atmosphere at home or at the office, this could be the perfect addition to your space. Let's talk features. First up, this diffuser isn't just your average run-of-the-mill device. It's a 5-in-1 multifunctional aroma diffuser. What does that mean? Well, it boasts a large 500 ml water tank, 7 different LED colors, multiple mist diffuse modes, and a safety auto switch to prevent overheating. But wait, there's more. It also comes with a set of top 6 essential oils, including lavender, eucalyptus, tea tree, orange, peppermint, and lemongrass. These oils are carefully sourced globally to ensure premium quality. Now, what sets this apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's a great gift idea for anyone looking to elevate their space with aromatherapy. Plus, with its sleek design and customizable LED colors, it adds a touch of style to any room. Another standout feature is the timer setting. With just a press of a button, you can set the diffuser to run for 1, 2, or 3 hours, or continuously until you decide to turn it off. And let's not forget about ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this diffuser is super intuitive and easy to operate. Plus, with its large 500 ml capacity, you won't have to worry about constantly refilling it. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some users have to say. So, there you have it folks, the ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser with Essential Oils Set. Whether you're looking to create a calming atmosphere at home or boost productivity in the office, this diffuser has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy diffusing.